One other thing that we need to understand is that we are spiritual beings. As a spiritual being, it means that you are a spirit. You are just occupying that body, which means your body is a vehicle for your spirit. When you die, we say there is so and so's body. Even now, when we're referring to your foot, you says it's your foot, it's your hand, it's your head. Who are you? It's important that we know and understand who we are. Spirituality is broad. So much so because we all have our own journeys. Our spiritual journeys can never be the same. Even the methods that are going to help us in our spiritual problems, they can never be the same. That is because we all have different karmic energies that we come with. We come here to learn different lessons. Whatever heals another may not heal another person. But at the end of the day, the whole aim is to go back to the source. And when we go back, we need to go back in the most purest form. We come here to elevate ourselves. That is why it's important to be able to control our emotions. Because as we are spirits, we come here to learn these lessons. It's not all going to be good. Sometimes you're going to go through tough life lessons. If you remember that this is just a lesson, you will be able to control your emotions and not become angry, because that will make you vibrate very low. It's a negative energy to be angry. But if you take it in a positive manner and say, this is a life lesson, I'm learning something out of this, then you move on to another lesson until you reach your destination. So as spiritual beings, when we detach from the body, we elevate ourselves in the mind, and that gets us closer to the source. Even the problems that we come across, it becomes easier for us to deal with them and not take it to heart that, oh, now my life is hard, I'm always coming across problems, this and that. Another important thing by remaining positive is this: when you want to manifest something, it becomes hard and difficult when you're vibrating low, when you are always negative. You cannot manifest successfully if you are always vibrating low. Try by all means to look into the bright side of things.